Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to discover how pink salt crystals are mined and transformed into sizzling grill plates, cozy night lamps, and of course, pure, natural pink salt itself. Pale pink halite, formed over centuries, reveals its clarity and purity through each crystalline facet. Ancient inland seas evaporated slowly, leaving extensive halite layers now mapped for extraction. Geological cross-sections show a continuous pink halite seam bounded by clay and gypsum strata. 4-core sample displays translucent halite crystals, logged and retained for reference and QC testing. All personnel must read the safety board, wear PPE, and follow strict entry rules. Ventilation maintains airflow and safe gas ranges. Muster points are clearly marked for emergencies. Tools laid out include wedges, mallets, diamond wire, gauges, label strips, and QR stickers. The crew descends fully equipped. Headlamps reveal pale pink walls and controlled working conditions. A room and pillar chamber shows halite pillars and a straight laser-guided cut line for precision. Operator drills 2 pilot holes, with dust extraction engaged to control particulate and debris. Wedge separation follows natural cleavage as rubber mallet taps gently propagate a clean fracture. Diamond wire performs a straight wet cut while slurry drains neatly away from the work area. Controlled landing places the block onto timber and rubber cradle, with a spotter observing. Write lot code and date on the white label. Place QR 2 to 3 centimeters away. Routine housekeeping. Sweeps fines into a labeled tray and bin to maintain a clean work area. Inspect cracks with raking flashlight. Defects are marked and recorded for further evaluation. Measure length, width, and thickness of the halite block and log the dimensional values. Apply rubber corner guards and tape them securely to protect edges during handling and transport. 2 workers lever the halite onto wood rollers and transfer it carefully onto the handcart. Secure straps in an X pattern over corner pads. Ratchet straps are tight and stable. Escort corridor. 2 workers guide the loaded handcart at a controlled, steady walking pace. Pause at the intermediate weigh station. Record floor scale digits accurately in the logbook. Conduct an air quality check using a multi-gas detector and verify sampling hose readings. Move the block to a padded pallet with rubber mat and spacers to prevent direct contact. Use a manual pallet jack. One operator tows while another spots mirrors and blind corners. Pause briefly under a fine mist curtain. The halite remains dry while airborne dust is reduced. Attach a pre-filled hang tag and cable seal. Place QR code 2 to 3 centimeters away. Store covered pallets neatly in rows with clear aisles and no climbing on stacked loads. Cutting bay. Guarded table saw in use. One feeds the slab while the other receives. Cut precision slab to 30 by 30 by 5 millimeters using fence and laser alignment. Deburr and smooth edges with low flow water to achieve uniform, safe, finished edges. 2 separate trays display 3 color grades: light, medium, and deep pink for visual sorting. Mark any inclusions or dark veins. Circle them, assign grade, and set aside for review. Drill press performs lamp bore with clamp and depth stop, ensuring consistent and repeatable. Holes, counterbore for E14 socket using a diamond burr. Test fit socket flush and remove for later. Chunk small pieces 2 to 5 centimeters using a guarded cutter. Deposit into food grade bin. Select thick slabs by gentle vibration and tapping. Reject any pieces showing suspect fissures. Perform acoustic tap test on numbered dots. Mark small pass circles or tiny rework dots. Place pieces into industrial bins labeled block, slab, lamp, and crystals for traceable flow. for items to cleaning via hand-pushed cart, open gate and signal path to others. Spray clean with fine mist and a single wipe to remove surface dust and residue. Warm air drying at 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. Time and temperature logged for records. Enclosed small-scale crushing operates with dust collector active and contained feed rates. Triple-deck sieving sorts fine, medium, and coarse. Fractions into clearly labeled bins for QC. Magnet trap removes ferrous specks. Show captured particles, wipe clean, and reinstall the trap. Moisture spot check reads below target threshold. Operator logs the verified moisture measurement result. Composite sampling uses diagonal scoops combined into a labeled vial for laboratory analysis. Visual QC compares product to a color swatch, removing off-color grains and stamping pass. Operator selects iodized or non-iodized diverter. Indicator changes and signage confirms the selection. Flow drum mixing blends components uniformly. Brief outlet check ensures consistent discharge rates. Fine table salt screen allows 0.3 to 0.5 millimeter particles to pass. Oversize goes to recrush. Final metal detection scans trays. Certified test piece triggers reject procedure if alarm sounds. Dispense 1 to 3 millimeter halite into grinder jars to the target. Weighed fill. Heat seal fine pouches producing flat, clean seals with minimal headspace and consistent appearance. Apply a minimal white label with inkjet lot code and production date for traceability. Checkware verifies 2 past results. Underweight pieces divert automatically to the reject lane. Present a single sealed craft carton as the hero shot with neat tape and lot label. Palletize simply with 2 layers label out, corner boards, 2 wraps and cross-strapping applied. Store finished goods in covered dry storage at 40 to 50% relative humidity with clear aisles. Lamp assembly test fits E14 socket with strain relief. Warm LED displays a soft pink glow. Thermal test preheats slab gradually. Water droplet sizzles while slab remains intact and stable. Check pallet. Integrity by pressing wrap, pinging straps, and confirming lot, date, and weight label. Close the truck with wrapped pallets loaded against load stops. Worker secures and latches the rear door. 5. Scan pallet lot code and stamp date and time on the bill of lading for shipping records. Environmental controls show dust collector delta pressure and mist recirculation panel operating within green limits. And that brings our journey to an end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again on the next adventure. Goodbye and see you soon.